Hello, good day, and welcome. My name is Mr. JB, and today we're going through a Photopea tutorial showing you how to make text glowing. To start, we are going to use our text tool. Bangers is the text font that I've got. Doesn't really matter what you use. You can change it all later if you need to. I'm just going to end up doing glowing. Now, I like to have multiple different colors of text when I'm doing thumbnails and things like that. So I usually just start off with a single word, and then I do some modifications, and then I'll end up making a duplicate layer, and then all those modifications are there. Just saves me a couple of steps along the way. To start, I'm going to end up selecting my text, and then I'm going to go to effects, and I am going to go to stroke. That is going to end up giving me a little bit of an outline. Now you can change this to be whatever color you want. You just have to double click on this and choose whatever color you want within the spectrum of the world. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to click OK. Lovely. Now, usually that's actually all I end up doing in terms of my colors for the first one. I'm going to do Control J while that is selected, which creates a duplicate layer. And I'm just going to highlight it all, and I'm going to change it to text. With a change to text, I've still got my stroke on that, so it looks pretty good, but I want to change the color to it because normally in my thumbnails, things like that, I just like to have different colors. I'm going to go to effect, and I'm going to go to color overlay. You can end up moving this out of the way. You just double click or just single click, on this little black squatch, and you're just going to choose whatever color it is that you want to match your background, the feel, the vibe, whatever. Now with that, just click OK and OK. I'm going to press and hold Shift while I select my text and glowing, and I'm going to stretch it out. Now if you want to adjust them both at the same time, that's exactly what you do. You just select both, and then they'll kind of adjust and deal with everything at the same ratio and the same pace. I'm going to move my text just to make it a little bit different, a little bit slightly different space, and with that I'm now going to select both of them again. So hold Shift, click on both, right click, and go to merge layers. With them merged, I'm now going to do Control J, so I'm going to create a duplicate layer. I'm going to select my bottom copy, which is just my text layer on this, not my text copy. I'm going to go to Filter, I'm going to go to Blur, and I'm going to go to Gaussian Blur. You can see that's already created a little distortion on the outside of this text. And you can just drag this out to get however amount of glow that you ultimately want in terms of your text for thumbnails, again, whatever it is that you're using for. Now with that, that's all this is. It's really quick, really straightforward in terms of creating glow. Just creating some duplicates, going into a Gaussian blur. And again, you don't have to end up having that stroke on the outside. I think it makes a little bit more of a breakup so that way your words and stuff don't become blurry. With that though, that's everything. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something and I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day. Take care and be safe.